guys, John here, 1984 Barbecue. Welcome back. Today I'm doing a collaboration video that was supposed to have been out last week, but due to life and just things going on in general, I couldn't make that happen. So I'm going to get this video out today, what you're seeing, and we're doing a collaboration on We Cook with Coffee. It was created by Just Ate, Lewis and Judy Ann. So I'd like to thank them for including me in this. There's so many YouTubers, guys, that we've gone under the hashtag We Cook with Coffee, okay? And I'm sure you've already seen the other videos from all the other YouTube channels out there, and mine's late, like I said. But anyways, if you haven't seen the videos to this We Cook with Coffee under the hashtag, then click that hashtag after this video and go check them out, okay? So today, what we're doing is cooking with coffee, okay? So what I'm going to be using today is Tango Joe's Midnight Espresso, all right? And I'm going to be doing just some beef short ribs on the pit barrel cooker. Let's get started. Until we got our smoke rolling here, some light blue smoke. Kind of zoom that in there. There they go. Got our coffee rub on here. I'll let these go for a little while, guys. I'll probably let them go for about an hour, maybe 2 hours. Just depends if that rub's set, and then we'll do some spritzing. I'll bring you back when we get ready to wrap these. I'll see you then. All right, you guys. I got these beef short ribs pulled out of the pit barrel. They've been on now for about maybe 2 hours. Anyways, man, these things are really juicy and literally like falling off the bone on this one here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give these a light little spritz. Just like that. And then I'm just going to take the rest of this. Add that to the bottom of this pan. Alright, guys, we're going to get this covered up. We're going to get it back on the pit barrel. We're going to braise them, get them nice and tender, and we'll bring you back when these are done. This cook is over with. It took roughly about 3.5 hours total, maybe 4 altogether, but we have our beef short ribs. I don't know if you can see that, guys, but man, those look absolutely fabulous. And again, we use Tango Spice Company's Midnight Express. There we go. Remember, hashtag We Cook with Coffee, okay, right here. So, let's take a taste test, guys, all right? Guys, here we go. If y'all can see that or not, it smells really good. Let's take a bite. Smoke ring, juicy. That's pretty good. Rub's not overpowering. The smoke's not overpowering. The beef is there. Guys, give it a try. Tango Joe's Midnight Express. Or Tango Spice, I'm sorry. Tango Spice Midnight Express. Anyways, guys. Sorry it took me so long to get this collaboration video out. I apologize. If you're new to the channel, think about hitting that subscribe button. Hit that bell notification to let you know when I release new videos. If you're a returning subscriber, hey, I really appreciate you coming back to me. Anyways, guys, hope you take care. And remember, click on the hashtag We Cook with Coffee, and that'll take you to all the other channels that have done this collaboration. All right, we'll see you on the next one.